DIY an overhead tripod with me. Supplies: 1 30-inch half-inch steel pipes to 24-inch half-inch steel pipes. 2 pieces of scrap wood. 8 screws. To half-inch floor flanges. To half-inch metal elbows. 1 camera clamp. Screw each 24-inch pipe into each metal elbow. Mark the center of the wood on each wood piece. Use the floor flanges to make a hole for each screw hole. Make holes where you made marks. Screw the floor flanges down. Screw both 24 inches pipes to the floor flanges. Attach the 30-inch pipes to each metal elbow, making a bridge between both 24-inch pipes. This is how it should look so far. Now attach the camera clamp to the 30-inch pipe, making sure it's facing in where you can film below how it looks from above.